Hello, my name is Willhelm Solorzano, and this is my ENME 351 Final Project Lab. I'd like to start off with the sensor, the HC-SR04. This sensor outputs a sound wave and takes in that same exact sound wave as it has traveled through the air. This is filled with a piezoelectric, and it receives that sound signal and converts it back into an electrical signal and sends it back to my Arduino. Looking at the bottom side of this 3D printed mechanism, we have the MG S90 metal geared servo motor. This is used to actuate the trigger arm. When something is between 90 and 10 centimeters away from this sensor, it'll actuate this servo motor and also stop the stepper motor I am about to show. This servo motor actuates this little trigger arm, allowing this rubber band to release the object as well. Moving on to my base, we have the stepper motor that will stop when something is detected between 90 and 10 centimeters. Looking at the circuitry, we have two battery packs to provide 12 volts to the stepper motor. And also we have a MOSFET used as an H-bridge to actuate the stepper motor as seen from our previous labs. And also we have our Arduino Uno, which controls and monitors every input and output going from our Arduino to our motors and also our Arduino to our computer. Now I will show a small demonstration of the processes at hand. We see that unfortunately the stepper motor is not strong enough to overcome the torque that is applied by these wires, so sometimes I need to give it a little helping hand. But as we can see, when an object comes into range, an object is launched and the stepper motor stops and then continues again. We can see here another trial. That time it went a lot farther. Great success. To demonstrate that the motor does in fact move, I will be taking off this headpiece and showing you the rotation of the motor. I set it at a 45-degree angle currently so that the impact from the wires isn't as significant. However, the wire torque is still a big issue that I haven't been able to resolve. Looking at our processing, we see that our distance from the Arduino data is updated constantly, and also our green dot is placed. Sonar sensor distance data and the green dots. Once we go back in range, we see a launched and a target appear. Once we leave the range, we see that we have something about 170 centimeters away, which maps correctly. This bottom line is our 1 meter, this second line is our 2 meters, and that is around 90 to 70, 80 centimeters. And we see that an object is in range, and we have target and launched.